It is February 22nd, 2017, and we have Star Wars Land. We've got a structure. A structure is popping up.
We have cranes. We have people at work.
We have people at work because it's not raining. And we've got like this whole round space.
There's a crane here. You're going to put a pole into place.
Oh, wow.
It's a load-bearing pole.
Wait, where? Which? Ooh.
Well, that's going down.
One that's moving.
Yeah. There's a big pole on it.
Oh, that's exciting. Where did that go? Whee! Where are they moving it to?
Moving it in place.
Oh yeah, they are. Look at that. Wow. That's super cool. And then we have now a projected date of...
We have a projected year.
2019.
2019. Any one of those days in 2019.
Yep.
Your guess is as good as ours.
Yep. 365 guesses. Very exciting. Okay. Well, this is Skywalking Through Neverland signing off February 22nd, 2017.